Hello again, welcome back to the workshop. Yes, I know I titled part 12 The Conclusion, but at the end of that I didn't actually quite finish the die filer off. I've made a couple of refinements which I'll show you in a minute, and I've also managed to source some suitable files, at least I think they're suitable. I got them from Arc Eurotrade here in the UK, and they're Valorb ones made by a company in Portugal. They've arrived about 10 minutes ago in the post. I've just unpacked a couple, and I only ordered 3. A couple of them are a little bit too wide for the opening I've got in the top plate, but that's just a matter of opening up the hole. That requires a little dismantle of the machine, and I'll do that off camera. But for now I've got the small diameter circular file installed in it, and I'll also just whiz you around the refinements that I've made. So I'll hand you over to me at the workbench. And well, lo and behold, here I am at the workbench, and this is an example of the file. It's 100mm in that dimension. The tang is, well, I can probably just grind it down a little to fit in the RAM, but it's too wide to go through the clearance hole. Which is a bit of a misnomer because it doesn't clear, but like I say, I'll open that up at a later stage. At the moment, maybe you can see if I zoom in a little and try and keep it in shot. I've got the round file installed, and if I just twizzle around a bit, I'll show you the slight refinements I've made. I mentioned before, I think, that I've got a larger pulley. I've installed that, raised the mount up another 10mm to give the correct, or approximately the correct tension on the belt, and that seems to be working nicely. I've enclosed the wiring in a little nylon cap, and the box here takes the wires, and I've got the power supply comes and plugs in here, and put that round the back, I guess. This makes the ratio slightly higher, and speeds up the whole caboodle. And now if I switch on, that's full whack. The file, of course, follows a very pleasing parallel stroke. That is the maximum speed, and from my perspective it's perfectly acceptable for such things as cutting out clock gear wheels, that sort of thing. Not that I shall be doing any of that, but you get the idea and the principle. I've also dug out these. I'm intending to grind these down to a suitable width to put in the RAM, and hopefully they will act as intended as a little jigsaw, upside down, or no it is, and well, we'll see whether that works. And there we are. That really is the final and concluding version of this little project. As I said before, I hope you've enjoyed following along with it. And if you have been, thanks for watching. If you're interested in following up on the source of the files, I've had permission from Arc Eurotrade in Leicester here in the UK to put a link in the description below the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll try and think up another project to put online, but it probably won't be for a while. See you again soon. Bye.